I found this vintage MCM dresser on Facebook Marketplace. Let's flip it. Looking at these wood grains, I knew I wanted them to shine through, so I sanded them down to bare wood, using a 180 grit because veneer is very thin. Now the inside of this dresser needed a little help, but luckily that's a super easy fix with a vacuum and a little bit of cleaning. I went ahead and cleaned the entire outside with TSP, wiping it back and being sure to scrub into all these details to ensure I had no dirt stuck in them. As always, I use TSP diluted with some water as my cleaner, and then I use a microfiber cloth with some water to wipe it all back. Not only do I clean the entire outside, but I clean the inside as well, just because you saw how gross it was in there. Then it was time to scuff sand. I scuff sanded this entire piece using a 120 grit, followed by some minor repairs with Bondo. Then I went into these little detailed areas using my Surf Prep sander because the abrasives are so nice and easy to get onto these grooves. After a quick wipe down, it was time to prime the entire piece. I mixed up a paint wash with water and some fusion paint. I applied it liberally to my drawers and then was sure to wipe back slowly, going in the direction of the wood grain. Then I painted the entire outside in this beautiful custom color so I could get that smooth finish. And here it is all done. I love how the wood grains now pop against the lighter color. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.